Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer docs from Confluence to Google Workspace. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Confluence account in your web browser. Locate the document you wish to transfer from Confluence. Click on the document to open it. In the top right corner, find and click the ellipsis or three-dot menu. Select the export option from the drop-down menu. Choose the format you want to export the document in, such as PDF or Word. After selecting the format, click on Export or Download. Wait for the document to be processed and then download it to your local device. Next, open your Google Workspace account in a new tab or window. Navigate to Google Drive by selecting it from the Google Apps menu. In Google Drive, click the New button located on the left side. Choose File Upload from the drop-down menu. Locate the document you downloaded from Confluence on your device. Select the file and click Open to initiate the upload. Once the upload is complete, find the file in your Google Drive. If necessary, right-click the file and select Open with to choose the appropriate application, like Google Docs. Review the document to ensure everything has transferred correctly. Make any edits or adjustments within Google Docs as needed. Finally, share the document with your team or colleagues using the Share button if required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.